Newton's law of inertia and its application to nursing. The law of inertia states that an object at rest tends to remain at rest, or an object in motion tends to keep on moving with constant speed along a straight line in the absence of a resultant force acting on it. Inertia is the tendency of an object to resist any change in its state of motion and is proportional to the mass of the object. In this situation, the gurney, which was initially at rest, remained at rest until it was pushed by the nurses, setting it in motion with constant speed. The bed, with the patient on it, is massive, so the combined forces applied by several nurses is needed to set it in motion. It is again caused to stop, and will remain at rest until a resultant force acts on it again. Here, the same principle is applied, but since the medicine table is less massive than the gurney with the patient, its inertia is also less, only requiring the force applied by one nurse to change its state of motion. Another example of the application of Newton's first law of motion to nursing is when taking the vital signs of the patient, particularly the blood pressure. The needle of the sphygmomanometer is initially at rest and remains at rest when not in use. As the nurse starts to pump the bulb of the sphygmomanometer, the needle on the gauge rises up. Once the pin is released, it goes back to its original state at rest. There are several other applications of Newton's law of inertia that are being used by nurses every day in the clinical setting, such as the regulation of the intravenous fluid and lots more. These examples show us the importance of even just merely understanding the principles of physics, which, as any other sciences, contributes a lot to the field we have entered.